Wow, I feel so fit this morning. What is this? Something got stuck in the bush. I have to get it out. What is this? Can anyone help me? I found something, but I don't know what it is. Boys and girls, please help me. What is this? Did someone say the numeral 6? Yes, and someone said the number name is there. S-I-X 6. S-I-X 6. S-I-X 6. I can spell 6. I can spell 6. S-I-X 6. S-I-X 6. I can spell 6. I can spell 6. All right. Found the numeral 6, but we are going to put this clock on the numeral 6. Let's go counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bingo! So the hand is on the numeral 6. Yes. So we set it to 6. So today is all about the numeral 6. Let's go. Now that our clock is set on the numeral 6, we are going to jump up to the numeral 6. Count me down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, I did it. Let's go jumping. One leg up. Are you ready to jump? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jumping up and down on the numeral 6. Jumping up and down on the numeral 6. Very good. That's 1. Let's go up here. So we have some counters and some balls, and we are going to count how many we have. So we're going to jump over them. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's jump again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So I'm going to take up the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Some fun way we can exercise and we can learn as well. All right. Now my 6 balls are in my basket, but in my basket I also have some markers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. S-I-X 6. S-I-X 6. I can spell 6, and we can count up to 6. Do you want to clap 6 times? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's hop 6 times. Let's go. Feeling fit this morning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's skip 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do a part together 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Now walk it off. We're resting for a while. Deep breath in. Having fun talking about the numeral 6? Yes. Now guess what? I'm outside about the numeral 6. Bubble, we bubble with 6. Bubble, we bubble with 6. 5 and 1 more make 6. 5 and 1 more make 6. And we also can say 6 and 0 means nothing, give you back 6. Or we can say 3 and 3 more give us 6. So 3 over here, 3 over here, put them together and we get 6. All right. Also, we can say 4 and 2 more. So 4 and 2 more give us 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we are going to play this game. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to count to 6, and the first person to find 6 things will be the winner. Are you ready? So we're going to count to 6. You can pick up some stones, you can get some leaves, some cork, some bottle caps, anything you can find. So count to 6. I am playing too. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey, I think I'm the winner. I was fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you found your 6 things. You're going to make buns of 6. You can make one, just one I want. Let me show you. A family of 6. What numbers or what items or objects we can put together to get 6? We go down on the ground. I'm in the road. I'm on the road. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 over there. I'm going to put 2 over there. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 and 2 more make 6. 4 and 2 more make 6. So if I put them together, let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So make your buns and send it to me. Let me see. And we'll see who is the winner. Let me take up my 6 leaf because I'm going to do something with it. Are you ready to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clap yourselves.